They called him just a kid with no degree, no training, and no chance. But Jalen Carter, a 15-year-old boy from a struggling neighborhood, shocked an entire courtroom when he stood up to defend. His mother, after no lawyer, agreed to help. His mom, a hard-working nurse, was falsely accused of stealing medicine from the hospital where she had worked faithfully for 18 years. Fired overnight and dragged into court with shame on her name, she nearly gave up until Jalen stepped forward and said, "If no one else will fight for her, I will." With no legal background, Jalen spent weeks reading dusty law books at the library, watching court trials online, and writing arguments in a worn-out notebook. Everyone laughed at him, including the hospital's high-paid lawyers. Even his school principal warned him not to embarrass himself. But on the day of the trial, Jalen walked into the courtroom in a second-hand suit, eyes sharp, hands steady, carrying nothing but truth and faith. When he spoke, the room went silent. He broke down the timeline like a trained lawyer, pointed out flaws in the hospital's case, and even caught one of their officials lying under oath. People gasped. Then came the twist. Jalen revealed a hidden document he had secretly found in his mom's old email. An internal hospital memo proving someone else had taken the medicine but blamed, hid on his mother to protect a senior doctor. The judge froze, the jury looked stunned, and the opposing lawyers had nothing to say. Moments later, the judge declared Jalen's mother innocent and dismissed all charges. Tears rolled down her face. The crowd inside the courtroom stood and clapped like never before. Not for a lawyer, but for a teenage boy who believed in justice more than fear. As they walked out hand in hand, reporters rushed in. But Jalen said only one thing. "I didn't win a case. I defended my mother's truth. Now tell me honestly, if you saw that boy before the trial, would you believe he could win, or would you doubt him like everyone else?"